Good afternoon. Happy Friday. This is Sean LaBelle of the Decker Hewitt Group. Say goodbye to the beard. This will be the last Market Watch Weekly with this much facial hair. Looking to the markets, it was another week of record gains here as we continue to go through a much better than expected earnings season. About 85% of companies are actually beating top line and bottom line results right now. That is at a record. So that inflation, or sorry, the recessionary earnings season that we saw in the last three quarters is now officially over, as earnings growth is expected to be at 1.7% here going forward. Looking to this week's Market Watch Weekly, it jumps into this growing conversation that we're seeing around inflation. It's become a very topical subject of late because the Fed has openly stated that they will not be raising interest rates until we see inflation tick above their 2% goal. So what's also key here is that they've thrown in a new word, and that is average, meaning that they're going to let inflation run above that 2% number for quite some time, just to make up for the fact that we haven't had inflation for almost 2 decades. So don't expect them to act anytime soon. And again, don't be alarmed if you see inflation actually tick up above 2% here in the next 6 to 12 months. But the Fed is not going to be acting anytime soon. This week's Market Watch Weekly throws a couple of interesting charts in there. It just looks at the money supply and the sort of inflation level. Again, this if you haven't been reading our comments in the last few months, this is one of the key fundamental tenets of our bullish thesis, is the fact that inflation has been stubbornly stuck below 2%. So the Fed is going to be keeping interest rates at zero for a very long time. Also in tandem with the money supply being at record levels here, we expect the path forward to be continued gains here for the market for quite some time. And that'll do it for this week's Market Watch Weekly video. Hope everyone enjoys their long weekend. Has a happy Valentine's Day, and we will talk to you again next Friday. Cheers.